Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate anime pics using AI. So first of all, open your browser, then go to Playground AI, click enter. Now go here. Now once you're here, first you'll have to create yourself an account using your Gmail, and once you're done with that, click on this button besides the create button and click on a board. Now once you're here, we're going to change some settings. The model we will be using is this one, the Stable Diffusion 1.5. Image dimensions will be 512 x 768. The prompt guidance will be set at 12, while quality details will be set at 50. Seed will be randomized, while the sampler we will be using is this one, the KDPM2 ancestral one, and the number of sample images will be increased from 1 to 4, while the session will be made private. Now we come to the left side of the settings. The filter we will be using for creating anime pics is this one, the counterfeit 3. Now the next step is to upload the picture that you want to be in anime style. Drag that picture, like I have this picture, and just drop it here. Let the image strength be at 30. Now scroll up and write a prompt, like let's say I'm gonna say make her Wonder Woman. Make her Wonder Woman, and just simply click on generate. Now once the pictures have been generated, you can see that AI has generated anime images that resemble the woman in this picture that we uploaded. Now you can even upscale this image, or if there is a problem in the face of the image, you can even fix that by just choosing this option, the face restoration one, and you can even upscale the image to enhance the quality of the picture. And also you can make anime images by just simply putting it the right prompt without using any images. Let's say we're gonna write anime girl wearing blue sailing suit and leaning forward. After the prompt is done, make sure the filter is the same, the counterfeit 3, and just simply click on generate. And here it will provide you with the images according to your prompt, which will be in anime style. So you can use other prompts and make other anime images as well. So that's pretty much it, and that's how you can use AI for making anime images. Hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. Bye.